guys, I'm Devin with Freckled Mom. I wanted to jump on real quick before my video and I wanted to say hi, how are you? I'm really excited. So I've had subscribers who have followed me for years. I've had quite a journey, and if you have followed me all that time, you know my journey and I appreciate you. Thank you. It's humbling, it really is. It's nice to know that people care. So with saying that, I also have a lot of new followers and a lot of new subscribers, and I want to say thank you. Like, I really appreciate it. You guys have definitely helped my channel grow, and I hope it continues to grow. I'm just really excited. If you know my journey, if you don't know my journey, we can just not do a whole timeline here, but crafting has really been in my blood. I've been doing crafts and refinishing furniture for years, since I was a teenager, maybe even younger than that. And my parents were definitely DIYers. My dad's a little bit of a MacGyver. And so I just grew up in that kind of lifestyle where we did our own flooring, we did our own, different things, put in our own windows, changed our own oil. So we're that kind of family. And I just wanted to come on and say hi. And again, thank you for subscribing. And if you guys see something and you think somebody else would like it, definitely share it. I would love that. We live in a community where we need to help one another. It's a wacky time right now. So I appreciate it if you would share or like, and definitely comment. I think hearing other people's ideas or what they've done to a certain project, it just gives me more inspiration for another idea or another project. So I love that. So thank you. This video that I'm doing today, it's a shop with me video, but shop with me with intention. So I'm doing a custom order for somebody. So as you guys know, I don't have a saw, so I'm looking for something that's already ready made so I can refinish it to the customer's specifications. And so he wants a dog leash holder. So you'll see as I'm shopping, I went to Walmart, Target, another Target, the home store, and Hobby Lobby. I went to all those places looking for a certain specification. And while I was there, I found all kinds of fun stuff that gave me inspiration for a new craft room. So now, you'll see in the video, but I'm finding all kinds of fun stuff, organization and different things like that for a new craft room. And as you can see, it's pretty messy in here. And why it's messy is because I think I have too much space. I know, crazy, but it's true. My whole dining room has been transformed into a craft room, and I just think it's too big for me. I feel like I'm sliding here and sliding there, and I'm hitting my head trying to get into certain areas. So I have a new idea, and I have some pieces already coming in, so I'm really excited about that. Maybe in like 3 videos, I'll probably be done with my craft room. Not sure, so don't hold me to that. I want you to watch the rest of this video, see all the stuff that I was looking for, shopping with intention, and then I want you to stay tuned to the end of the video because I have a special message and I'm excited for that too. So if you have stayed with me this long, thank you. See you soon. Okay, here we are. First Target, or shall I say Target. I love the dollar spot. You can find so many cute things, and literally for $1, $3, or $5. And if you look at these shelves, you can tell that they have been picked through. So now I'm in the bathroom section. So you guys remember what I'm looking for now. I'm looking for a wooden leash holder, or like a little coat rack with wooden pegs. So I'm assuming home, maybe garden, household, bathroom, housewares. Like, I know I've seen them and not always in the same spot. So I'm just kind of looking everywhere. And I have a thing for towels, soft towels too, but not toilet seats. We don't need that. And I'm just going through each aisle and I'm trying to find what I hope I will find. But here are all those little containers I was talking about. And this is where my mind starts wandering. I am so excited. I don't know my color scheme for the office yet. Is it going to be like metal or white and copper or pink and white? I really have no idea. So we're just looking around and I'm finding hooks. There they are. I'm finding some kind of coat rack hooks but not what I'm really looking for. So the hunt will continue. I don't just follow random men around the store. That's my husband who's helping me look for the coat rack. And look what he found, a coat rack. And again, none with the wooden pegs. So we're gonna have to keep looking. Do your husbands go with you guys when you go shopping? I love it. I think we are a good team. We work well together, and he definitely has an eye for certain things that I overlook easily. I love the home and garden section at Target, but I swear their prices are really climbing. They are getting really expensive for some simple decor. You can just make it home. Hello, we're on a crafting channel. We can do this. Now we're at Walmart. See those little bins down there? Those boot savers, I think they're called. I use those for the dog dishes in the kitchen. So that way when they make a mess, it's easier to clean up. And that's why I showed that, so I could tell you guys that. It's just a little tip. I like it. So I'm just still looking around. And again, now I'm on the craft kick where I'm looking for organization. I'm looking for bins. I'm just looking for inspiration, colors. I'm not even sure what I'm looking for yet. If I want to, like, do I want wood? I have no idea, you know? Like, I'm trying to think, like, if I'm painting, I really don't want dried paint all over my wood. I want something I can scrape off or wash off. So, again, we are looking for the wooden peg holder for the dog leashes. And now I guess we're looking for craft supplies. So, here we go. Here's some more bins. You guys know me and baskets. Oh my goodness, I love baskets. Now we're back at Target, but a different Target. And you guys know the first place I'm gonna go is the dollar spot. I have to see what they have there. And I found something that is for the craft room. So I'm so excited. I'm just getting little things right now, figuring out what I need. I definitely need a calendar, because I'm getting busy. I gotta stay organized, and you guys know me and lists and staying organized. And then I'm seeing some things I've gotten in the past, and then those are those blocks that I made in the sign video, my last video. I'll put it in the description if you haven't seen it yet, but I saw them again, so I was super excited, so I grabbed a whole bunch of them. And I'm just looking to see if there's anything that is gonna catch my eye or something I can use for a new DIY. Not like I need anything because my garage is pretty packed right now, but you never know what you're gonna see. You never know, so you have to always look. When you're around, I feel the sparks takes me higher, sweetheart. So many cute Valentine's Day decor and cards. If you haven't gotten your stuff yet, head to Target. They have so many cute things. I will stay just to feel your heart pumping next to mine. Do you feel that I'm your missing part? That you're finally right. You got me out of this feverish dream. You are holding my hand. I have no clue, don't know what it means, but I know you'll understand. Now this is a real treat. I'm at the home store, and I don't always go here because it's like, I don't know, maybe 25 minutes away. But I love this store so much. I love how everything's color coordinated, and they just have the weirdest things that you don't see at other stores. And their prices are actually pretty good, especially if you have a coupon. Sign up for their email list and you'll be getting coupons in the mail. But look how they organize everything. It's just so cute how it's color coded, and they try to keep, you know, the metal things and wood things together, so you really get a look at how the space can be filled if you're looking for a certain kind of item. Here we go. Here's my signs. Oh boy, I'm gonna be in trouble, I think. Oh my goodness. Oh, yep. Yep, that's it. Now these are just so cute, but we can make these, right? We're on a crafting channel. We can make them. But here's some of the hooks I need. And I see wooden ones, but none with wooden pegs. And that's what I need. I need a wooden peg board or leash holder or coat rack. I'm not even sure. I have a feeling I'm gonna have to have my husband help me and just make one. But while I'm here, I might as well keep looking for my new craft room.
I didn't know I was telling a lie. It's been a long day for sure. How could I?
These Crocs caught my eye. I now have my IOD stamps and I am so excited, and I haven't used them yet, but I am excited and I'm ready to go. So I need more Crocs or urns or whatever. I'm just gonna do it to every material I have. But I kept going back to a few things. I wasn't sure if I wanted it, and then I'd see the price and I'd think, nah, I'll just go to a thrift store. But the clearance section, if you didn't see, those are balloons. That was my favorite part of the store, was the clearance section. I love clearance. I love anything on sale. I love coupons. I love free things. I mean, who doesn't?
'Cause you're my sweetheart. When you're around, I feel the sparks takes me higher, sweetheart. Let me be close to you forever, ever, darling.
So here we are at Hobby Lobby. I love Hobby Lobby, but I don't come here that often. And even when I do come here, I don't spend that much money. I actually go in there just to get like inspiration, because I see something and I think I can do that. Like those chairs, we can make those chairs, right? Like just go to thrift store, any kind of thrift store, and just distress it, right? And look at all these little crafts for Easter. We can do this. How easy is that? So that's why I like to go here, more for inspiration. But sometimes they do have those wacky things that you need when you're looking for a specific thing, like, you know, certain glass jars or cute signs like this. But I'm gonna try to make this. I think I can do it. I'm pretty sure I can. What's your favorite thing to get at Hobby Lobby? Do you go in for like Cricut and Cameo stuff, or are you there for the wood and the glass jars? I love it all, but I really love their wood and the glass jars and the fabric that they have for pillow covers. And look, here we go. Here's my wooden peg leash holder, but it's got too many pegs because he wants 3 pegs. So, yep, I found it, but the wood itself isn't big enough. I gotta put the dog's name and make it cute. So I think this is gonna be something me and my husband are gonna have to make. Well, my husband's gonna have to make, and I'm going to supervise and record. Sounds like a good team, I think.
You're my sweetheart.
We are getting into some dangerous territory here. This section I cannot walk into without leaving with something in my hands that I'm going to buy. Or I take a million pictures and go home and never make any of it. It's just so cute though, like all the baskets, and look, there's my bone. My goodness. Just so many cute things, and I keep thinking about my craft room and what kind of storage do I need, and do I want it to be hanging or do I want it sitting on a shelf? It's just so many questions that need to be answered before everything arrives at my house, because I've already started ordering things. And everything was on sale that I ordered, so we're not going to talk about that today, because right now we're just looking for the dog leash holder and some inspiration for the craft room.
For 1,000 years, but it won't do us any good. Will you bet if you get the chance? I know I surely would. When you're away, there's a hole in my heart. Feels like a deja vu. So come back.
I forgot forgot, I'm also looking for laundry bins. So I am really bad when it comes to folding my socks and putting them together. I have white socks and colored socks and black socks, and they sit in my living room, and I need 2 laundry bins so they can continue to sit in my living room but look pretty while they're doing it. Definitely need some new floral, but I want to see how much room I have first to see how much I want to stock up, because I do have a decent amount. Think that's too many pegs? Hi guys, you made it to the end. So excited. Thank you for watching, and thank you for being here. Like, so exciting. So I said I was going to give you guys a little surprise at the end, and my surprise is I'm going to do 3 videos a week. So normally I do it on Wednesdays and Sundays because that seemed like the best days for me in my personal life. And I wanted to add another day in. I wasn't sure where to stick it in. So I've decided to do Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So those 3 days I'm hoping are good days. I don't know. I'm new to all this, and I'm not some marketing genius. We'll figure it out, won't we? If you have any ideas on that, or if you've seen a certain trend that works on your channel, please let me know. And if I'm not subscribed to your channel yet, please let me know, because I like all inspiration. I like all the projects. I want to hear everything. So I'm on Instagram and Facebook as Freckled Mom. I also have a blog. I blog about all different stuff: motherhood, sobriety, projects, recipes, holistic health, a little spiritual thrown in there. So I hope I see you guys soon, and I'm really excited. So again, if you guys have any ideas, anything you want to share with me, put it down in the comments. I would love to hear what you guys have to say. Plus, I want to meet you guys. I just told you my whole life story. So I want to hear, where are you from? Are you married? Do you have kids? What do you do? You know, are you a big thrifter? Do you like small things? Do you like doing big furniture pieces? I'm excited for it all. Do you have a cat? Do you have a dog? Do you talk to them? Like, I want to know these kind of things. These are things that are important if we're going to be friends. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It helps my channel grow, but it also lets me know that you guys like the content I'm putting out. When you hit the bell, you'll be alerted whenever I upload a new video. Again, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. All right, guys, have a great day. See you soon.
You're my sweetheart.